item to your website, you're going to select Manage Website, Add or Edit a News Item. This will give you a list of the news items currently on the website. You can edit these by selecting the blue plus. Select Add a New News Item here, and then just pop your title in. You can relate this to a class. If you relate it to a class, it's going to show on the class page. If you leave it blank, it will just go for the whole school. Select the date of the event, and then just pop your content in the content box here. I can save at the bottom and start adding further content, and you'll see that the media centre is just going to pop up on the right hand side here. I'm going to show you the two main image options. So you've got your header manager here. I'm going to click on choose your image, and you can select up to 8 images here, and what that's going to do is scroll between the 8 images you upload. Click on open. I'm just going to drag and drop those images. You can also see that you've got the normal image manager here. Now this works the same way. You click on choose your image, but this time you can upload as many images as you like, as long as you do them in batches of 20, and the software is going to resize those and put them in little thumbnails for you. Now you can give the images a title if you want to, or you can just click on save. And then I'm just going to tick active for this to go live onto the website and press save again. Now every website might have this somewhere slightly different, but if I just scroll down, you'll see I've got my news items here, and Chester Zoo's just popped up at the top. So if I just click into the news item, you can see I've got the header image that I uploaded earlier, and I've also got the little thumbnail images here, which then expand, and you can move between those. You can see that they've got other options here to add files, audio and video. I'm not going to show you on this video how to do that, but if you do want to know how to upload any of those items, I'll pop up a link for the videos on how to do those individual things. I'll also just show you where the news item is going to go if you do associate it on your class page. So if you just scroll down on the class pages here, you'll see you've got news items, blogs, galleries and calendars that are associated to that page, and this is where the news item would sit. If you do want to learn more about the class pages, you can just click on the video that's going to pop up now, and it will give you some more information on how you can manage those.